Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scratched your head wondering how to easily calculate and display percentages in Power BI, especially using DAX, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to show your sales data as a percentage in Power BI, super handy for making your reports more insightful and easy for others to understand. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Power BI on your computer. If you don't have it open yet, just take a second to launch it. I promise, once you get the hang of these steps, you'll be navigating Power BI a lot more confidently. When you're inside Power BI, direct your attention over to the Data panel. This is usually on the right-hand side of your screen, and it's where all the tables and fields from your dataset live. For today's example, let's focus on sales. Go ahead and click on Sales in your Data panel. If your data has a different field name, maybe it revenue or something similar, that's totally fine. Just pick the number you want to show as a percentage. Now, after you've clicked on your sales data, look up at the Visualizations pane. It's just a few inches away and packed with different ways to show your data. One of the standout options is the Gauge visual. Go ahead and click on the gauge icon, which looks a bit like a speedometer. Using a gauge is a fantastic way to visually track progress or show percentages, since it gives your viewers an instant sense of how much at a glance, just like glancing at a fuel gauge in your car. You'll see your sales data now represented as a needle on the gauge, but right now it's probably not formatted as a percentage, so let's fix that. Next up, click on your gauge visual to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's active when you see those little handles around it. Right above the visuals, you'll see a roller paintbrush icon. That's the format option. Give that a click. This is where Power BI lets you really customize the look and feel of your visuals, and it's a great way to make your reports stand out. Take your time as you scroll through the various formatting options. For this tutorial, we're heading to the section called General. In some versions, this might show up as a dropdown in your formatting pane. Don't worry if you have to look around for a moment. Power BI can update its layout from time to time, but the options are always close by. Once you're in General, look for the Data Format setting. This lets you change the way numbers appear on your gauge. Click on it, and you'll get a list of formats to choose from, things like decimal, whole number, and yes, percentage. Go ahead and select percentage. Now your sales value instantly switches to a percentage format on your gauge. You can even adjust the number of decimal places, so if you want it to show, for example, 75% or 75.37%, just tweak that setting. And there you go, your sales data is now beautifully displayed as a percentage in your Power BI gauge visual. This small change makes a big difference in how effectively others can interpret your data, especially in business meetings or client presentations. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. Got any questions, or is there another Power BI trick you want to learn? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you, and I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.